What is adhesive capsulitis? Adhesive capsulitis, also known as frozen shoulder, is a condition that affects the shoulder joint, causing pain and limited mobility. Adhesive capsulitis is a condition where the shoulder capsule, which is the tissue that surrounds the joint, becomes inflamed and thickened. This leads to the capsule contracting and tightening around the joint, causing pain and stiffness. Causes are not fully understood. May be caused by an injury or trauma to the shoulder, or by any disease such as diabetes or any thyroid disorder. Also occurs after period of immobilization. After surgery any shoulder injury. Symptoms typically develop slowly over time. You may experience mild pain and stiffness in the shoulder joint. As the condition progresses, the pain may become more severe and limit your range of motion. Your shoulder may become completely frozen, making it difficult. Diagnosis of adhesive capsulitis can be made through physical examination, such as X-rays or MRI scans. Doctor will assess your range of motion, strength, and any pain or discomfort. May also perform other tests to rule out other conditions that may be causing your symptoms. Treatment for adhesive capsulitis typically involves combinations of therapies, including physical therapy, medications, and sometimes surgery.